Imagine walking into your backyard and seeing a kitchen that looks like it belongs in a luxury resort. A space where you can grill, prep, and dine, all while enjoying the fresh air. Sounds amazing, right? Well, in today's video, we're diving into 36 outdoor kitchen ideas that will blow your mind in 2025. From sleek, modern setups to cozy, covered patios, there's something here for every style and every space. Whether you have a compact terrace or a sprawling backyard, these ideas will show you how to create a functional, stylish, and comfortable outdoor cooking area. By the end of this video, you'll be inspired to take your backyard from ordinary to extraordinary. So, get ready to explore covered kitchens, creative layouts, and design tips that will make your outdoor space the ultimate hangout spot. Why outdoor kitchens are a game changer. Outdoor kitchens aren't just about cooking outside. They're about transforming your entire lifestyle. A well-designed outdoor kitchen turns your backyard into a place where you can cook, dine, and entertain all at once. Imagine hosting friends for a weekend barbecue, or enjoying a quiet evening cooking under the stars. It instantly elevates your home experience. Beyond enjoyment, outdoor kitchens add value to your property. They make your backyard more than just a green space. It becomes a functional, luxurious area that blends style and practicality. In 2025, the trend is all about combining beauty, comfort, and durability. Whether you prefer a minimalist modern look, a rustic stone kitchen, or a fully covered setup, the right design can make your outdoor area feel like a personal resort. Covered outdoor kitchen concepts. One of the hottest trends this year is covered outdoor kitchens. A cover doesn't just protect your appliances and furniture from the sun, rain, or dust. It also creates a cozy, inviting environment where you actually want to spend time. There are many ways to cover your kitchen. Pergolas offer a stylish structure with slatted roofs that let in light while providing shade. Retractable roofs give full flexibility, opening during sunny days and closing when it rains. Gazebos provide privacy and shelter, while shade sails or canopies offer lightweight, modern solutions that are quick to install. The materials for these covers vary too: wood, aluminum, canvas, or polycarbonate, each bringing a unique style and level of protection. A well-designed covered kitchen not only extends the life of your furniture but also transforms your patio into a comfortable outdoor living space. Materials and finishes. Choosing the right materials is crucial for making your outdoor kitchen both durable and stylish. Stainless steel is a top choice for appliances and sinks. It's sleek, modern, rust-resistant, and easy to maintain. For countertops, stone and granite are perfect. They're heat-resistant, long-lasting, and add a premium feel to your cooking and serving areas. Wood and teak add warmth and natural charm, ideal for cabinets, accents, or pergolas. While they need a bit more maintenance, the aesthetic payoff is incredible. Brick and concrete are another option, giving a rustic, earthy look while being strong and long-lasting. The best outdoor kitchens often combine materials. For example, stainless steel appliances paired with granite countertops and wooden accents create a space that is not only functional but also visually stunning. Layout and design tips. When it comes to outdoor kitchens, layout can make or break the space. A well-planned setup ensures you have everything you need within reach while still keeping the area open and inviting. For smaller patios, an L-shaped layout works wonders. It maximizes corner space and leaves room for a small dining area or lounge. Medium terraces shine with U-shaped or modular setups, allowing separate zones for cooking, prep, and dining. Large backyards offer the freedom to include islands, bar seating, and even a lounge corner, making the kitchen a complete entertainment hub. Seating and dining integration is key. Bar stools around a countertop, a dining table nearby, or lounge chairs placed strategically can make your space functional for meals and socializing. Always consider the flow. You should be able to move effortlessly between the grill, prep area, and serving space without feeling cramped. The goal is a balance between practicality and aesthetics. Every inch should feel purposeful, while still leaving room for relaxation and enjoyment. Functional features and appliances. The right features and appliances take an outdoor kitchen from nice to spectacular. A grill is often the centerpiece, whether gas, charcoal, or hybrid. Sinks, mini fridges, and prep counters make cooking outdoors convenient and efficient. For pizza lovers, outdoor pizza ovens are becoming increasingly popular, while beverage coolers and wine racks elevate entertainment. Many 2025 setups also include smart features. Retractable countertops, built-in storage, and LED lighting not only look stylish but improve usability. Ventilation and weatherproof electrical installations ensure safety without compromising on style. A functional outdoor kitchen is all about making cooking and entertaining seamless. When appliances and features are strategically placed, your outdoor space becomes as efficient as your indoor kitchen, sometimes even more enjoyable. Stylish decor and accessories. No outdoor kitchen is complete without the finishing touches. Countertop decor, like planters, trays, or stylish serving stations, adds personality and charm. Lighting plays a huge role. String lights, pendant lamps, or LED strips can transform your patio from a casual cooking spot to a magical evening retreat. Flooring matters too. Tiles, natural stone, or wood decking can define the kitchen area and complement your furniture. Rugs, cushions, and curtains not only enhance style but provide comfort and softness underfoot. Decor is where you can let your personality shine. A few well-chosen accessories can make your outdoor kitchen feel warm, inviting, and uniquely yours. By paying attention to these details, you turn a functional space into a true outdoor oasis. Space-specific tips. Every backyard, terrace, or balcony is different, which means outdoor kitchens need to be designed to fit your space perfectly. For small patios or balconies, compact, foldable furniture is a lifesaver. You can use vertical storage, slimline grills, and small prep areas to maximize every inch without feeling cramped. Even a tiny corner can become functional and stylish with the right setup. For medium-sized terraces, modular kitchens work beautifully. You can rearrange the layout to suit different occasions, adding portable islands or bar stools when needed. Movable components let you host both intimate dinners and larger gatherings effortlessly. In large backyards, you have the freedom to go all out. Multi-zone kitchens with separate cooking, prep, and lounge areas create a complete entertainment hub. Imagine a built-in grill, an island with seating, a pizza oven in the corner, and a lounge section with cozy sofas. This approach allows everyone to enjoy the space simultaneously, whether they're cooking, eating, or just relaxing. Even rooftops and garden corners can be transformed. With clever layout planning, the right furniture, and a little creativity, you can turn any outdoor area into a functional kitchen and entertainment spot. The key is to adapt your design to your space while keeping comfort and style in mind. Budget and DIY ideas. You don't need to break the bank to have a stunning outdoor kitchen. There are plenty of budget-friendly options and DIY tricks that can make a huge difference. Portable grills, modular countertops, and small pergolas are cost-effective alternatives to full-scale installations. DIY enthusiasts can get creative with pallets, painted cabinets, and homemade storage solutions. Even swapping out old cushions for weather-resistant fabrics or adding a few decorative accessories can instantly refresh your space. The best part is that you can mix budget solutions with a few high-end pieces to achieve a balanced, functional, and stylish kitchen without overspending. The goal is to create a space that feels premium and enjoyable, even if the budget is limited. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, it's about design, functionality, and thoughtful upgrades that make your outdoor kitchen feel welcoming and complete. So there you have it, 36 outdoor kitchen ideas that will blow your mind in 2025, from covered patios and sleek modern setups to rustic charm and budget-friendly DIY solutions. Outdoor kitchens aren't just a trend, they're a lifestyle upgrade. They let you cook, entertain, and relax in a space that's comfortable, functional, and beautiful. With the right layout, materials, appliances, and decor, you can turn any backyard or terrace into a stylish outdoor oasis. If you're ready to transform your outdoor space, start by choosing a layout that fits your area, picking durable and stylish materials, and adding the finishing touches that reflect your personality. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, comment below which idea you loved most, and subscribe for more home, backyard, an outdoor design inspiration. Your perfect outdoor kitchen is just a few smart choices away. Let 2025 be the year your backyard truly shines.